Shrit, commit. Icon, hands down, right up. Students, I shall observe the tenets of Taekwondo. I shall respect the instructors and seniors. I shall never misuse Taekwondo. I shall be a champion of freedom and justice. I shall build a more peaceful world. Hands up. Now 5 tenets of Taekwondo: courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit. Jimmy. Okay children, so this session we are going to practice Dosan pattern. Okay, so Dosan totally having 24 movements. Okay, in Dosan we are having 24 movements. Okay, so last week we already know that we learned in Dosan movements. So this week we are going to practice Dosan pattern. Okay, let's start the practice now. Everyone come to Jumbi position. So first we will start with the first movement. So you can see here, most of that's it. Okay, Jumbi. So first what you should do, you have to turn your left and you have to go for left leg front, outer forearm, outward block. Okay, you can see Jumbi like this everyone. Ready, 1 like this and this is 2. Okay, you can see we are going for, this is walking stance. Okay, and this is outer forearm, outward block. Then come back Jumbi. Now same, once again 1. Okay. Now when you are going for 2, just heel up, back leg heel up and go for the punch. 2, heel up. And when you are going for 3, and you can see here, shift your leg, the left leg in a straight line from here to here. Okay, this is 3, and keep your left leg here. So we brought both legs in straight line, and again cross your hand and go for same. This leg should go for that parallel line, okay, that side, and go for again block. This is 3, outer forearm, outer block. Okay, so same again, heel up and go for the punch. 4. Okay, so this is 4 movement. From here, what you should do, you have to bring your leg here. Okay, so bring your leg to near to your right leg. This is 5, like this, and here go for the knife and guarding blow. 5. Okay, so move forward and go for knife and fingertip thrust. Okay, 6. Okay, now after this, when you are going for 7, you have to turn your hand. First, 7 means you can see how we are doing. 7 just, okay, from here, 7. After this, take your left leg in. Okay, you turn anti-clockwise and go for again back fist strike. This is 7. Okay, now 8 again, one more time, go for back fist strike. 8. This is walking stance, back fist strike. Okay, so we completed 8 movement. We will show one more time. Okay, we start from here. Okay, you can see here. Jumbi. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here 8. So what you should do now, you have to go for this side. Okay, so for again you have to go for anti-clockwise. Okay, take your left leg in anti-clockwise and go for 90 degree here, and same again you have to go for walking stance, outer forearm, outer block. Okay, 9. Again punch. 10. Again same thing you have to follow it. The same straight line here. Like we have to go for the 11th one in 11, 12. So after this, what you should do here? Okay, this is 12 completed here. So what you should do here? The left leg. Okay, again you have come to the same point. Okay, so what you should do? Take your left leg in here and go for turn to 45 degree. Left leg in, block. This is high double block. So here you can see. Okay, so this thing from this side. Okay, we will show from this side. Okay, so here, so same that thing we are turning here and we will show here. Okay, so you can see here. So here this is 8 9. Okay, and this is 10. 8 9. Okay, 10 11 means take it in block. Okay, so here 12. So 12 means you have to kick and see. This is 13. Land and the punch should come together. After that again heel up and go for 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. Okay, from here 19. Okay. Actually this is 19. This is we just missed the count, but we can continue here. This is 21. Okay, so this is 22. Okay, and from here 23, 24. Those are doing. Okay, so what we will do now? The same pattern. We will start from there. Okay. So children, you keep it in mind. Whatever pattern you start, which place you start from, there only you have to finish. So what we will do now? We will start from there. Okay, you can see now. From beginning, slowly on count. Jumping. Those are pattern on our own count. Okay, sorry. On count by count. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Dosan to be. So this is Dosan pattern, children. Okay. So I hope you clear with this. So one more time we will start from there. Okay, facing this side. You can see now it will be Dosan pattern on your own count. See, check. Dosan, do it. Okay, children. So I hope you clear with this. Okay, this is Dosan pattern. Totally in Dosan, 24 movements are there. Okay. So we practice nicely in home beginning. Slowly first you practice movements. Okay. 5 times moving forward and backward. Later you go for this Dosan pattern. Okay. Once you become good, then later you can go for the on your own count. In beginning you do slowly count by count. Later you can do on your own count. Okay, children. Chedit, Kingi, take on, most step back, body plus take on, body plus take on. Bye, children. Stay in home and stay safe.